In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to keep your Outlook status green, whether you're working remotely or want to keep your status active during your work hours. Knowing how to maintain a green status in Outlook can be incredibly useful. So let's dive right into the steps to ensure your status remains active and visible as green. First things first, you'll need to navigate to the Outlook login page. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and typing Outlook login into the search bar. This should bring up a list of options. Click on the one that leads to the official Microsoft 365 Outlook login page. If you already have this saved as a bookmark, that's even better. It will save you a bit of time in the future. Once you reach the Outlook login page, you'll see the sign in option. Click on it to proceed. If you aren't automatically directed to the login screen, the sign in button is your gateway to entering the Outlook environment. Upon clicking, you'll be prompted to enter your Microsoft account credentials. Ensure that your email and password are entered correctly before hitting the sign in button. After successfully logging in, navigate to the Mail section of Outlook. This is your main interface where all your email activity takes place. The Mail area is usually the default landing page after logging in, but if you find yourself in a different section, just look for the Mail icon or the word Mail and click on it. Now that you're settled in the Mail section, move your attention to the top right corner of the screen to find your profile icon. This is usually represented by a small circle with either your initials or a picture if you've uploaded one. Click on this profile icon to reveal a drop-down menu. From here, select the option that says My Microsoft Account. Clicking this will redirect you to your account management area. Once on your Microsoft account page, look for the tab labeled Your Info. Clicking on Your Info gives you access to your personal details and settings. Here, your next move is to delve into your Skype profile, since this is where your status settings are configured. In the Your Info section, find and click on the option labeled Skype Profile. This might sound a bit unusual, but maintaining an active status in Skype is linked to your overall online presence across Microsoft services, including Outlook. Upon entering your Skype profile, click on Profile again as you further engage with your personal settings within Skype. You may notice that you're making repetitive clicks on the profile options, but trust this process. It ensures you're in the correct place for the next critical steps. Next, select Use Skype Online to navigate to the online version of Skype where you can make adjustments to your status. It will open up a new window or tab, maintaining a seamless transition from your Outlook web application to Skype. Now you're on the web version of Skype, and it's time to set your status. Look for the option that says Set a Status. Clicking on this particular option will display a menu featuring different status options for you to choose from. Once you have your status options in front of you, go ahead and click on Active. Selecting Active is key to ensuring that your status displays as green. This aligns your presence as available across Microsoft services, including Outlook, making it look as though you're actively engaged in your work. By completing these steps, you've set up your Skype status to reflect as green, which in turn keeps your Outlook status appearing as active or green. This method will give the impression of availability, helping maintain focus and productivity signals to your colleagues or team. And there you have it, you've successfully learned how to keep your Outlook status green by carefully navigating through Outlook and Skype's online settings. Utilizing this method keeps you in the loop and actively connected, making sure you're always in the know and responsive during essential work hours. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide helps you remain efficient and communicative within your digital workspace. Don't forget to check out other tutorials for more useful tips and tricks.